everyone, myself Dr. Amanpreet Kaur Kalsi. In this lecture, we present you some questions from the topic Early Development in Frog. The first category of questions is multiple choice questions. In this, question number 1 is, during gastrulation in xenopus, the blastocoel, option A, is filled with endodermal cells and disappear. Option B is filled with mesoderm and disappears. Option C does not change but develops into what is called the archenteron. Or option D is displaced and its original location becomes an endoderm-lined cavity, the archenteron, which is a precursor to the gut. Question 2. The process in which the three germ layers form is called option A, fertilization, option B, cleavage, option C, gastrulation, or option D, organogenesis. Question 3. Between fertilization and the first cleavage division, actin filaments pull the cytoplasm of the frog egg towards the point of sperm entry in a process called option A, cortical rotation, option B, dorsalization, option C, blastulation, or option D, determination. Question 4. The mid-blastular transition is the point in development when option A, translation of maternal mRNA is initiated, option B, cell determination becomes fixed, option C, cell division in the embryo ends, or option D, transcription of zygotic genes begins. Question 5. Beginning of archenteron formation in frog's development represents the stage of option A, morula, option B, early blastula, option C, early gastrula, or option D, late gastrula. Question 6. In the development of a frog, the gastrulation process involves option A, epiboly, option B, emboly, option C, invagination, or option D, all of these. Question 7. Blastula of frog has A, blastopore, B, blastocoel, C, archenteron, or D, gastropore. Question 8. First cleavage of frog's development is option A, equatorial, option B, vertical, option C, latitudinal, or option D, meridional. Question 9. Correct sequence in embryonic development of frog is option A, zygotes, cleavage, blastula, gastrula. Option B, zygotes, cleavage, gastrula, blastula. Option C, cleavage, zygotes, blastula, and then gastrula. Or option D, zygote, blastula, cleavage, and then gastrula. Question 10. Gray crescent is the area option A, at the point of entry of sperm into ovum, option B, just opposite to the site of entry of sperm into ovum, option C, at the animal pole, or option D, at the vegetal pole. Question 11. The third cleavage in frog's development is option A, holoblastic and equatorial. Option B, holoblastic and unequatorial. Option C, vertical and equatorial. Or option D, meroblastic and vertical. Question 12. Dash is when 3 germ layers form around an embryo, readying it for organogenesis. Or the condition or the process when 3 germ layers form around an embryo, readying it for organogenesis is called option A, embryolization, option B, fertilization, option C, gastrulation, or option D, blastulation. Question 13. The first thing that forms during gastrulation is blank in the side of the blastula. Option A, is it bump? Option B, invagination. Option C, cleavage. Or option D, germ layer. Question 14. The hollow ball of cells that forms just prior to gastrulation is called a option A, blastula, option B, gastrula, option C, embryo, or option D, zygote. Question 15. Choose the correct sequence during early embryonic development. Option A, embryo, then zygote, then blastula, then morula, and then gastrula. Option B, zygote, embryo, blastula, morula, gastrula. Option C, embryo, zygote, morula, blastula, gastrula. Or option D, zygote, embryo, morula, blastula, gastrula. Second category of questions is short answer type questions. In this, question 1 is, what are fate maps? Draw a well-labeled diagram explaining the fate map of frog development. Question 2. What is mid-blastula transition? Explain the events that occur during mid-blastula transition during early development in frog. Question 3. Explain the process of cortical rotation during early development in frog. Question 4. What is blastocele? What are the roles of blastocele during early development in frog? The third category of questions is long answer type questions. In this, question 1 is, explain in detail the process of blastulation in frog. Question 2. What is gastrulation? Explain in detail the process of gastrulation in frog until the formation of 3 germ layers. Question 3. Describe with the help of diagrams the different types of cell movements that occurred during gastrulation. At the end, we provide answer key to multiple choice questions. Question 1, the correct answer is option D. Question 2, the correct answer is option C. Question 3, the correct answer is option A. Question 4, the correct answer is option D. Question 5, the correct answer is option C. Question 6, the right answer is option D. Question 7, the right answer is option B. Question 8, Right answer is option B. Question 9. Right answer is option A. Question 10. Right answer is option B. Question 11. Option A is correct. Question 12. Option C is correct. Question 13. Option B is correct. Question 14. Option A is correct. And question 15. Option D is correct. That's all about this lecture. Thank you so much.